You say find the derivative of y equal to x to the power of 3 from first principle. Let's make some room on the board. Work on that. So if y is x to the power of 3, so if y is x to the power of 3, what will be y plus delta y? Y plus delta y will be x plus delta x to the power of 3. And x plus delta x to the power of 3. That means we are going to multiply x plus delta x, multiply it by itself up to 3 times, plus delta x, then times x plus delta x. Now from the previous example, we already know this multiplied by this, and that gives us x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. That is for these two products now, but we still have one more here, so multiply by x plus delta x. X squared times x is x cubed. So this will be x cubed. Then x squared times delta x is x squared delta x. Then 2x delta x times x is 2x squared delta x. Why 2x delta x times delta x is 2x delta x squared. Now see what I'm doing. Delta x will multiply itself. Yx multiply itself. I cannot multiply this x here by the x here. Delta x is a single variable on its own. So you can't multiply the s attached to 2 with the 1 attached to delta. That is the point I'm making. So this is 2s delta s squared. Then finally delta s cubed multiplied by x is s delta x squared. And delta s squared multiplied by delta, that will be delta s cubed. Now let's collect like terms, anything that is carrying the same power. So this will be s cubed here. This s squared delta and 2s squared delta can be added. Why? Because this has s squared and delta, 1 delta. This also s squared and 1 delta. So we can add them together. So s squared plus 2s squared delta, that is s squared delta rather, plus 2s squared delta is x. What I did here is like saying 1s squared plus 2s squared, that is 3s squared. Then delta x, then plus, again, this and this can be added because this is 2x, this is 1x, this is delta x squared, this is also delta x squared, so we can add it together. And 2x plus x is 3x, so that is 3x delta x, 3x delta x squared, and plus the last one, which is delta s cubed. Okay, so that is y plus delta y plus delta y that give us this expansion now. And what will be delta y? Because I said earlier that to take derivative from first principle, when the function is a function of y equal to like this, your goal is to try and express delta y over delta x. So we are trying to arrive at this. So in that case, I want to make delta y the subject of this equation. And I'll do that by moving y to the other side. So my delta y becomes s cubed plus 3s squared delta x plus 3x delta s squared plus delta s cubed minus y. This y here. Just move it across equality is plus y here, but when it crosses equality, it becomes minus y. But from the function given to us, y is equal to x to the power 3. Y is equal to x to the power 3. I'll just put x to the power 3 there. So that this x to the power 3 minus x to the power 3 is gone. Therefore, delta y is equal to 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus, I wrote 2 here instead of 3. This delta x cubed, please, plus delta x cubed. Delta y over delta x, factorizing delta x, I have delta x into 3x squared. Because once I bring delta x out, there's no more delta x here. Because we are dividing through by delta x. That's the meaning of factorization. If we divide this term here by delta x, this delta x will become then plus 3s. I have delta x squared here. If I divide it by delta x, I'll be left with only one delta. So this will be 3s delta x. Then this delta x cubed, if we divide by delta x, we'll be left with delta x squared. Divide both sides by delta x. And this delta x can cancel this delta x. So that delta y over delta x, delta y over delta x is equal to 3s squared plus 3x delta x plus delta x squared. And limit of delta y over delta x as limit of this function 3x squared plus 3x delta x plus delta x squared. This will be 0 because we have delta x there. We have delta x is approaching 0. That is, we substitute 0 here. 0 times 3x is 0. Again, 0 squared is 0. So our answer is 3x squared. So the limit of delta y over delta x is 3x squared. And that is the derivative of y equal to x to the power 3 from first principle.